Well, thank you. Hi there. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day all across India, and we are discussing some new ways of learning. So, today's point of discussion would be write essay. Now, write essay used to be one of the most simplest things, but ever since the changes started happening more than a year ago, essay how we approach essay has also started to change. Previously we used to have same template for each target score, but now we have separate templates for different target scores. Like the previous lower target score used to be 50 and 58, and higher target score used to be 65 and 79. So we used to have a different approach for how we write an essay when when target score was 79, which is 85 now, and a simpler approach when the target was 50 and 58, which is 51 and 60 now. So in this discussion today we are going to take a look at how to approach essays when your target score is 51 to 60. Now essay can be accessed on the portal. You just have to log in into the portal, and when you log in into the portal, practice portal MarvelPTE, when you log in the Chrome browser, you see a few things like this one. This is something that comes in the updated Chrome browser. You do not have to install any extension or any special setting. It just comes up with the latest browser. And once you see this, all you have to do is go to any essay. There are lots of essays available, and you can click on any. And how you start is you click this homework help, and Google's AI will come to work. Now this homework help icon may not be available on all websites, but this feature is available to some education websites and portals like MarvelPTE. So we have clicked the button, and what we are going to do is we are going to select the topic of our essay, and Google's AI will open a widget in the side, and it will talk out and it will talk about a few things regarding that essay topic, and it will give some links as well. You will see, like, you can see the MarvelPTE link for this topic. We have clicked the link, and here we have a sample answer related to this topic, but this is an older sample answer that uses an older template and an older TS. So we can change a few things, but for the purpose of this video and to keep things simple, we will simply use this older template. We have to close the widget. We will paste the template. We will copy a TS from here and paste the TS at 4 places where the TS is needed. We could have taken this response as well. This had already had these TSs filled, but we tried to do it manually. Okay, now we got a template, we got a TS, we have submitted it at the we are submitting it in the portal. We have clicked the verify button, and now the engine will look for problems with the template and TS in terms of grammar, content, relevancy, these things. But okay, since this is a copied template from a good source and the TS is also okay in terms in the engines as per the engine, so we are getting a complete score here. Let's try at some other essay topic. All right, let's duplicate this and go to next, and we will go let's close this previous link and go to homework help again and choose the next essay topic. The widget opens again. Google's AI is suggesting a few things. We will not read them. There are some links as well. We will open the MarvelPTE link. It will give us show us a sample answer. We can copy the sample answer here, or we can individually copy the template and the TS, which we are going to do. We just copied the TS. Let's close the widget here and pasted the template, and now let's copy the TS. The TS is going to go at 4 places in the template. Now the scores depend on the quality of the TS. The quality of TS didn't matter much previously, but now it matters a lot. So these older sample answers may have TS that may work or that may not work. Like we can see that here we have people's life. People is plural and life is singular, so it is going to be it can be a problem, because since people is a plural word, so it have to be people's lives, because there can't be a single life for a lot of people. Okay, so we will ask the engine by clicking the verify button what does the engine thinks of it in terms of grammar or content. In terms of grammar, we are not much hopeful because we have seen an issue. Yes, it is highlighting that issue, that life is not the correct word here. It should have been lives. But the bigger thing to notice here would be the content score. The engine didn't like this TS, that we just copied from here. It thinks that this TS should have been better. So what do you do? How can you make the TS better? You do not have to worry much. All you have to do is open this ChatGPT link from MarvelPTE, and here you have to paste the TS. Optionally, you can paste the topic as well. Let's copy the topic as well so that it have a little context. ChatGPT. So we have entered the essay topic and the TS that we have copied from the website, and we will press enter. Now ChatGPT will suggest a few alternatives to the TS. It will just add a few words to what you have given it to it, and will give a few options in those suggestions. Now since we already know that the one that we have given have grammar mistake, so let's choose one and ask it to fix the grammar mistake. So we have chosen one TS, and we have asked it to make it correct as per grammar, and even though we didn't specify what word we had in mind, it chose the word life and made it lives. So it does know which word was highlighted by the engine. We can go one step further and ask it to make it longer as well. Okay, so let's take this one, and this one was the previous one. What if we try this one on some other, on our present topic? Let's duplicate it. So this is the topic for playwriting. So this is the essay for playwriting topic, and we are putting this essay in the design of buildings. Now engine is going to take a look again. Now engine already have checked it and said that it is okay as per grammar, etc. But is it going to be okay as per the relevancy and content? No, it is not. AI has found that relevancy is little. Now if the content score is not there, if the relevancy is not there, then all scores are going to be 0. So in order to have a good score, we need to have not just correct template and TS, we need to have, in terms of grammar, not just in terms of grammar, but the correct TS in terms of relevancy as well, which is the issue here. See, content score 3. We will copy the TS again, this template again, sorry. We have copied the template again, and we have copied a TS, and let's add a few more words from other suggestions. Well-being, efficiency. Let's just add one more word here. We have taken a word from the suggestions from the ChatGPT. So yes, ChatGPT does helps, but we have to think by ourselves as well, because the longer your TS is, the better it is now. Previously, smaller TSs were okay, but now they are not okay. Even if your score is 51 to 60, you have to have longer TSs. So we have submitted it again, and the AI is going to check it for those issues that were previously there. Maybe we should add another word. Maybe we should add convenience as well. Well-being, efficiency, that enhances overall productivity and convenience. Let's add one more word. In fact, we can ask it, what do you think of? Okay. Comfort, convenience, efficiency. Okay. Or it has suggested that convenience should have been at some other place. So ordering also matters a little, but not that much. So we will go ahead and click verify. We want things convenient. We don't want to work much hard. We just want a template and a TS. And we want both of them to work as per the engine, which worked here. Okay, so there is some grammar issue, uh, which we can which is something else that that is not part of our thought process right now. What we were looking at is the content score. Now the content score, which was 3 with a smaller TS and 0 with an unrelated TS, is now 6 with the help of ChatGPT. We only used words that were suggested by ChatGPT, and this way we can have our own TSs for any which we can use with any template. Now, are you getting this point? This is a very important point. You can use any template. Your template can be from any source. It doesn't have to be Marvel's template. Any template, any reliable template that is uh, that any good teacher has made will work. You do not have to well, we will advise you to not to share your template with everyone, because the qualities of good template we can discuss in some other video. Now, any any template will work. Topic sentence, we got the topic sentence from uh, from the place where that Google widget suggested, and we didn't had to write the topic sentence on our own. We got the template and the topic sentence from uh, internet for free. And when the topic sentence was not working, then we used this free link for ChatGPT, which with this link which not just improved our topic sentence in terms of grammar, but also suggested us different topic sentences, and it also made our topic sentence longer and better when we asked it to. And when we asked for other suggestions, it gave other suggestions as well, how our topic sentence should look. So you get all these 3 things for free, and if you have these 3 things, it is very easy for you to score 50 and 51 and 60 is a very achievable target. It is not going to be a difficult thing at all. It is very easy thing. It is a very easy thing. So how did we go about it? We found a template, and this template, your template can come from any source. It just have to be reliable. It just have to be tested, and it would be great if it is not public, because public templates is something that you should not be using. private templates is something that is more helpful these days. Topic sentence. Now there can be any topic sentence that will work for a variety of templates, but that topic sentence have to be good. And if your topic sentence is not good, what do? You will improve it with AI. Where's the AI? You can use the ChatGPT link to improve your topic sentence. Afterwards, you can evaluate it at the portal. That portal is Marvel's portal is also freely available. You just have to create an account, and it will tell you what the engine thinks of your essay. What is your essay? Your essay is your combination of template and topic sentence, and that's it. This is all you need for a better score. Now let's talk about a few do's and don'ts. Now, if your TS is wrong, like if we choose a TS for some other topic, for a different topic, then engine is not going to like it, and engine is going to say that this topic is not relevant, so I'm not going to give it good score. So your content score may go down, and your content score may go even 0 if the engine doesn't likes your TS at all. So correct TS for higher scores. And like we are testing here, we are just sharing knowledge of what new features are available. We just saw ChatGPT, and we just saw Google's AI widget. So we are learning and testing right now. So for these purposes, that public template was okay. But in the real exam, you should try to get a private template, or at least a template that has been okayed by your teacher, or at least your friend has got some score using that template. So you have to authenticate the templates. It is also a important thing to consider. But learning and testing is free. Everything is available free. Improvement is freely available. So what has happened here? Well, if you think about it, essays have not got harder. It's just that essays have become more important in terms of the score that they contribute to the writing section. Ever since these new changes came out, the scoring has shuffled, and the total contribution from the essay item to the writing section has increased drastically. So that makes essay important. If something is worth high number of points, so you have to put some effort to it, and for that reason we would say that you will need to work a little harder on it. It's not that the essay topics have gotten harder. No, essay topics essays topics have not become harder. It's the TS that you have to put that requires more effort now, and the template that you are using that requires more effort now, in which template you are choosing. Implementation is still the same. Implementation can even become easier with ChatGPT's PTE Asset Topic Phrases Creator. If you use this, then implementation is a breeze. It will be very easy for you to implement the TS in any essay template. It's just from where you get the template and where you are evaluating it, the portal, it matters. So What next? Now, in terms of homework, I want all of you to make a list of S topics. Which topics? Topics like these. And with each topic, get the TS that you are going to use. So this is our TS for this topic. If you are not happy with the TS, if that TS is not getting you full score in content and grammar, etc., then improve it with AI. AI will help with grammar issues in the template, and it will make it AI will help with grammar issues in the TS, and it will help with making the length slightly larger, and it can help with the wording as other wording as well, like other aspects like ordering or making the TS sound a little smoother, whatever that means. Okay, a smooth TS is not our concern. Our concern is just a longer TS, a relevant TS. Relevant to what? Relevant to the S topic. So this is where AI will help you. And once you have done that, you have the essay topics and the topic sentences, then memorize them. This is the hardest part. You have to memorize the topics and the topic sentences so that you do not make mistakes in the exam. Also it is a good idea to learn to write TSs on your own. That is also a great practice. And if you want to learn more for how you should go about your TS, this ChatGPT link is here, and you can do anything with it in terms of topic phrases. All right. I think this is something that may help you. Today is Teachers' Day. We are celebrating in all across India. I'm not sure whether this video is going to be public. In case it goes public and we publish it for everyone, I think we may, but usually we do not make things public. But in case we do make this public, I am Gaurav from MarvelPTE, and we used homework help from Google Chrome here, that website sample answer from this website here, and topic sentence from this ChatGPT link here. So as a topic here, homework help here, sample answer or TS here, and improving the TS here, and then evaluating it back here. I hope you all get 6 scores in content and full scores in total, because you are going to need it as essays in contribution to the writing section has increased. I'm Gaurav Chikara from MarvelPTE. Thank you.